वेलकम टू माय चैनल रुग्वेद अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स एंड आई एम बैक विद न्यू टॉपिक दिस वीक। जैसे कि मैं इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में आपको अलग अलग इन्फॉर्मेशन देता हूँ। वैसे देखा जाए तो मोस्टली वी टॉक अबाउट द नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ आवर स्पोर्ट्स की हाउ अंडर डेवलप्ड आर वी एंड ऑल दैट। सो लेट्स टेक अ पॉजिटिव लुक टुडे एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द schemes started by the government as well as the NGOs who are helping sports players in India. So let's start with Government of India, which has established Sports Authority of India for development of sports in our country. Today we have two academic institutions, 10 regional centers, 14 center of excellence, and 56 training centers all over the India, which works under Sports Authority of India. First scheme today we are going to discuss is the National Sports Talent Search Scheme. It has started by SAI, which selects athletes and trains them and develops them into a competitive athlete. Any youth can apply who is then called for selection trials, and the admission is given who on fulfillment of eligibility criteria as well as the skill test that is required during the selection trials. Today 1000 trainees train under this NSTC scheme developed by the Sports Authority of India. In 2016, Modi government launched the Khelo India scheme under then Sports Minister of India Rajavardhan Rathod. Khelo India aims to achieve the twin objective of mass participation and promotion of excellence in sports. This scheme promotes sports for all as well as sports for excellence. Talented players identified in priority sports disciplines at various levels by high power committee will provide annual financial assistance of 5 lakhs per annum for the next 8 years. About 734 athletes receive scholarship under this program today. The third scheme, Indian Boys Sports Company scheme. It is a joint venture of SAI and Indian Army. The main objective of this scheme is to make use of good infrastructure and a disciplined environment of Indian Army for training boys of age 8 to 16 years to achieve excellence in sports. Trainees are often offered placement in Army after 17. At present, 18 centers in India work under this venture. As we say that India's talent is hidden in grassroots or the rural parts of India. For that, Special Area Games scheme is launched by the government. This Special Area Games aims at scouting natural talent for modern competitive sports and games from inaccessible tribal rural areas of India. This is the scheme which taps talent from indigenous games or martial arts and also from regions which are genetically or geographically advantageous for a particular discipline. Today there are more than 19 SAG centers, that is the Special Area Game Center, with 2000 trainees under this scheme. Such another scheme is Come and Play scheme, encouraging local talents in areas where there is SAI facility center while providing youth a chance to train under a SAI coach. The next scheme, which is more result oriented towards Olympics, is the TOP scheme. That is the Target Olympic Podium scheme. It is a flagship program of Minister of Youth and Affairs in an attempt to provide assistance to the top Indian athletes, giving financial supports for preparation of Olympics to the medal prospects. It is given to the high priority sports in India as well as the top athletes in India such as Saina Nehwal or Gagan Narang and many others. This scheme emphasizes on priority sports of India, that is shooting, hockey, boxing, archery, badminton and wrestling. Union Minister also announced that similar top scheme will be started for junior age group of 12 to 16 years. This is another appreciable move by Kiran Rijiju, the current Sports Minister of India. सो ये था ऑल अबाउट गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स के बारे में. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द प्राइवेट सेक्टर एंड द नॉन प्रॉफिट NGOs दैट आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स betterment of Indian sports. First such foundation is the Go Sports Foundation. It is an independent donor funded venture working for the betterment of sports. इसका मेन एम है कि इसे प्रोफेशनलिज्म इंजेक्ट करना है इंडियन इन्वायरमेंट में. इट्स मिशन इज़ टू एम्पावर इंडियाज़ फ्यूचर ओलंपियंस. Their board of advisor consists of Abhinav Bindra, Rahul Dravid, Pulaila Gopichand, and many such great athletes in India. Next such foundation is the Olympic Gold Quest. It is another non-profitable program for promotion of sports and games. It is committed to bridge the gap of top Indian athletes and the world athletes. Founded by Geet Sethi and the famous legendary Indian badminton player Prakash Padukone. Interesting fact is that 4 out of the 6 medal winners for India in London Olympics were supported by this Olympic Gold Quest Foundation. Former Indian hockey captain Viren Raskina is the current CEO of this foundation, and 51 players are today supported under Olympic Gold Quest. Next such foundation is the RFYS Foundation, that is the Reliance Foundation Youth Sports. It aims to introduce a sustainable grassroots competition for structure in India. It is founded by none other than Neeta Ambani. The first edition of RYFS competition took part in the calendar year of 2016 and 17. It organized a football competition with participation of more than 20,000 student athletes. This board consists of Sachin Tendulkar, Leander Paes, Saina Nehwal, and Ranbir Kapoor. Another player who is working hard for India's growth in sports is none other than Indian skipper Virat Kohli. He has started a Virat Kohli Foundation. The most popular icon in India is doing his best to help athletes through his foundation he started in 2013. The identified young players from various sports are supported in terms of coaching, training, fitness, as well as diet and competition. To mention its success, this foundation supports Sumit Nagal, the player who put a spirited display against Roger Federer last year in the US Open. He even defeated Roger Federer in the first set of the competition. So such young talent which has potential are produced by these foundations or the sports schemes India has introduced. So I would like to tell you that कि अगली बार जब भी आप इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में डिस्कस करोगे ये मत कहना कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Yes, we are gradually progressing, but the rate should be better. And yes, everyone is excited, everyone wants quick results, but we have to be patient. So the motive of the video was कि जब भी हम इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे we should never say that nothing is going on right now and just look at the negative aspects. हमें थोड़ा इसके पॉजिटिव चीज़ें भी देखना चाहिए. जैसे खेलो इंडिया प्रोग्राम है, उससे नए नए यंग टैलेंट्स आगे उभर के आ रहे हैं, जैसे मनु बाकेर है एंड ऑल अदर्स हु आर डूइंग वेल इन द वर्ल्ड एज वेल आफ्टर बीइंग गिवन दैट एक्सपोजर. So this is all I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you. Keep watching. Jai Hind.